Olá, creator! Se você pensa que a sua vida é só YouTube, você está muito enganado. Você tem que olhar para outras plataformas e é isso que você vai ver nesse vídeo. Olá, creator! Eu sou Camilo Coutinho, seja bem-vindo ao Play de Prato, canal criado para inspirar e desenvolver as suas habilidades em vídeo. E eu tô aqui com o Hunter. Hi, Hunter!
Nice to meet you. Hey, guys.
Hunter é social media de um canal que vocês provavelmente conhecem e gostam muito, que é o What's Inside. Você pode ver aqui no card o canal lá. Ele cuida da parte de social media do canal. E a gente acabou de ver uma palestra aqui sobre carreira online, de como você pensar. E eu falei para ele, poxa, como é que é essa coisa de que você cuidar das redes sociais de um canal? E a gente vai falar um pouco mais sobre isso. Hi, Hunter.
Hey.
I'm talking about how is the powerful, the creator, take care about the other platforms, not only YouTube, and you take care about what's inside platform, Facebook, Instagram. Where's the power for your channel about that?
Yeah, so I love to connect with fans. So the number one reason why our YouTube channel is big is it's because of our fans, because of our followers, and we want to focus on you guys. So when you guys tag us in a picture on Instagram or send us a tweet, we love to reply back and just connect with you guys. Because the reason why we have a YouTube channel is because of you. And for creators, that's what you need to recognize. One view is better than zero. Like Gary Vaynerchuk talks about that a lot. But one person tweeting at you means that they put some effort behind that, and you should definitely respond back and say thank you. That means a lot, because it really makes our day at What's Inside to connect with our fans and to show them that they count, they matter. They're the reason why we create videos. And when they tweet at us with like ideas of how to cut stuff, a lot of our videos come from them. Like we just cut open a car engine in half, and that was because a kid sent us a letter in the mail, and we're like, all right, let's do it. And so it's really important to listen to your fans and to make sure that they feel like they're being heard.
Well, it's very good. And we hear a lot of things in VidCon, it's a blow-up event. And we hear a lot of things that Facebook is the new YouTube. What do you think about it for What's Inside, for your channel, for the other client? You think Facebook is really the new YouTube?
I think it's very different. So you have two completely different audiences. YouTube is more long-form content. People go there to kind of just learn something or be entertained for more than like 5 to 10 minutes. But with Facebook, it's like an instant video. I want to be entertained, I want to be inspired, and we're going to be preparing a lot of content going onto Facebook here really soon. We haven't focused on it a lot, but here in the next few months, we're going to be rolling out a ton of content on there. So yeah, follow us on Facebook and you'll see our quick, short, but entertaining content.
Oh, very good. Thank you for your tips. And if people want to follow you, what's the best way?
So to follow What's Inside, it's at What's Inside on any platform. You can follow us there. And then if you want to follow me personally, it's at HUNTDEVRIES, Hunt DeVries.
Thank you. Obrigado, gente. Então vocês viram aí, segue o canal do What's Inside, comenta em português, comenta em inglês. E nós continuamos aqui na VidCon. Sou Camilo Coutinho, Play de Prato, e você já sabe, nos vemos pela internet.